No.
So we're in the kitchen, and that can only mean one thing.
Cooking.
Mike's cooking, yay! A lot of you have been wondering, and I actually mean that. Like, I hate when people are like, so a lot of you have been asking, or a lot of you have been wondering, but genuinely people have been wondering when we were gonna do another cooking video, and so here it is. You're welcome. So what are we making today?
I don't know, what is today?
Today is Pie Day. It is 3/14, which is Pie Day. And it's also a week before Josiah's birthday, but I don't want to talk about it. So for Pie Day, we decided that we were going to make a pie.
Thanks.
Captain Obvious. But we didn't want to just, you know, make an apple pie or be silly. I mean, we could have just made an apple pie.
Apple pie is always good. But we're going to do something totally unique and different.
Yeah, so like, I don't know, 6 months ago.
We've been talking about probably over a year now about making this. We've contemplated, we've talked about it before, but we never really sat down and actually contemplated making it, but we've talked about making it.
So we got a request from our friend Matt over at Teacup for One that he wanted to see us make the gooseberry pie from Artist Point at the Wilderness Lodge, which, if you don't know, is the restaurant inside of Wilderness Lodge that is now based on Snow White. And so it's Snow White's gooseberry pie, the one where she writes like grumpy on the top, which we're not gonna write grumpy on the top because we don't have those skills.
I'm not that skilled.
Not with pie crust like she does. That's just amazing. Like, maybe if we got like some birds to come in and do the work for us, maybe they can do it. I'm pretty sure it's the bird that does the grumpy.
I don't know.
I don't know either. But Matt, you're welcome. We are finally going to make the gooseberry pie today for Pie Day. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm ready. hair's up now.
There's been a change in scene.
There's been a change. And
we have our little pies.
we have our little pies.
Little gooseberry pies. Yeah. Ooh, careful.
I'm really good at doing that.
The little tiny ones, some crumb topping.
I'm nervous. First of all, I would just like to put on the record before I make the face. I'm not a pie fan. Like, I will eat like a Boston cream pie or like a pudding style pie, but I am not a fruit pie person. I've also never had gooseberries before. It's going to be, I'm hoping it's good. I'm really hoping it's good.
Well, I've never had gooseberries either until I opened the can and tried one, and it was not as appealing as I wanted it to be.
But also, like, a lot of foods when they're in the can aren't as good until they're cooked, so.
Yeah.
Oh, hold on, we're gonna have a nice little ooze here. Let's see if I can get a video.
Ooh, look at that gooseberry pies.
Okay, well, let's just. Okay. This is just a mess. Cheers. We're also not in focus.
No. No.
Ah.
No. No. Ugh. That's
olives. Those are olives.
It's not olives. It's very tart.
But it's not good.
It's like underripe cherries. So like if the cherry was like a really hard cherry, and you just cut it and you cooked it, it's like a cherry. I can't explain it. It's just too tart. I don't like it. And I like sour stuff. Like I love pickles, but it's not close because you're pretending it to be a sweet. It's sweet and sour. Oh.
No, it tastes like olives.
I'm gonna try another bite though.
Yeah, let me get this one on the gram. Hold on. Or let me get a video of this one.
It's just, oh. My eyes are watering. Like, I want to like it, but I don't like it. Like, it hitting your mouth. Like, ooh, it's nice and sweet, kind of berry, and then you take a bite of the actual berries and they burst in your mouth. It just like, it's so tart. Oh. Nah.
Well.
Nah, man.
Well.
Let me eat the last bite though. I'm this weird person. I just want to keep eating it even though it's horrible. Yeah, now that one has an olive flavor to it.
I told you, it tastes like olives.
It tastes like a green olive coated in sugar. Like, olives are a berry, so I guess it works.
So, moral of the story, I don't know what our issue is because people rave about this at Artist Point. I don't think it's actual gooseberry. I think they're just saying that it's gooseberry, but it's like...
I think they're using Cape berries, which are out of the Cape, and they're orange berry, and I think they're sweeter. So maybe let's try with a Cape berry. But these are actually these are the Oregon gooseberries. That's the brand. When I look it up, that's what comes up.
So I don't know. I don't know.
I would say if you're someone who is familiar with these kind of gooseberries, or you're an Oregonian, let us know if you've had it. This brand here. I'm not a fan, even though I just ate the whole thing.
There's 3 left. We should leave one for my parents and let them try it.
Yeah, there's a level of punishment I have to go through because I have to try everything. So, but no, I would recommend. This is not a recommend for me. No,
this was not a recommend at all. But now it makes me want to go to Artist Point and see what that one tastes like, or make it for somebody that's been to Artist Point and be like, okay, is this it? Because if it is, then.
Should we freeze one and send it to Matt?
Matt, let us know if you want us to freeze one and send it to you, because we will. You know we will.
Yeah, so that's a no for me, dog. It's
a no for me, dog. But let us know in the comments down below what you want to see us cook next, because we're going to try and get back into cooking again. I mean, obviously we cook every day, but...
The back of my head hurt. Ugh, it's so sour.
But let us know what you want to see us cook next. That will hopefully come out better than this. Your face.
I'm still like tasting it. Like it's like, you know when you laugh really hard and the back of your head hurts?
Yes.
Or you something really sour in the back of your head hurts? That's what I'm at. That's how sour. That's the shock that my body is.
Well, with that, let's go to the store and go and get something to make actual dessert because I need something else besides this.
I got 2 words for you. Banana pudding.
Yep, we're gonna go make some banana pudding now instead because that was just horrible. So thank you guys so much for watching and we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Oh, that's awesome.